What you mean killer new to this? The ones you starve with is who you do it with. I'm too legit. Hell no, we don't do the quits. All I got is my word and my bars, so I'm true to this. But fake ass niggas ain't digging it. Wait, watch your pictures, they ain't fitting it. Hey man, you know what it is, man. It's your boy Killer, man, the one they love to hate, man. You know what it is today. Uh-oh. Say what now?
It's your boy Corday.
Okay, he said it's your boy Corday and it's your boy Killer, man. We finna go to Vallejo, California. Ooh, looking out for the helican snappers. We finna go out here, man, go to City Trends and see what we gonna see. Y'all know we always shopping, huh? Come with us. Ah. Something else happened. There's always something happening out here in Fairfield, man.
Always.
That lady doing?
Oh, she's flipping tables and stuff.
Hey, y'all check it out. Look at that, just cracking. Ooh.
New Tar City.
But they got fried alligators, octopus, all that, frog legs. Can y'all see me? Woo! They got all that, man. Y'all let us know if y'all want us to go there on the vlog, man. You feel me? We'll be back at y'all. You said what? Let me see. Nah, I don't think I like that.
I'll be cute with these. Those are cute though.
Oh yeah, these is cool. How much is these?
The black was better than the white.
What these, about $10?
70.
70?
That's what the box say. I don't know what they marked down.
Oh, okay. What they price is?
Probably like 30.
Excuse me, how much are these?
Yeah.
Bruh. Look at these. Oh, this clean. This bus right here.
We've been here before.
That's too big for you.
They want $15? 15.
Back there in the corner. Way back there in the corner side. Walk.
Hey, this bus too.
Let me see.
This jacket.
Whoa, that is nice.
Look at this. They only want what? $15 for this.
You can wear that on Easter.
You like that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
That's a little boosty.
Yeah, that's big boosty.
What, this?
We get some real Jordan stuff.
Travis, checking in.
Let me see. Uh-oh. Hey, my boy Travis, man. I know you probably ain't gonna see this, but hey, bruh. I'm telling you, Travis check, bruh.
He might go to
These don't got the button up though. He like his be having the 3 buttons at
like
the top.
this.
Yeah. He'll have on a nice little hat with that.
Oh, they will look so fresh.
These Timbos?
No.
No, they blank.
Take them off there, boy. Let me see. What they want? About $10? I'm just up in here naming the prices like I know. Oh, they want a hot dog. She got a little cart.
What she thinks she doing?
Look.
I
I want this one, and I want this one, if it's not too small.
Say a large, should be able to.
But if this is too small, I'm gonna get this.
You see that one in the
You
front?
ain't gonna wear your. I don't know why you don't wear your.
I might have to get a pair of these.
What
How much is these? They want the dabber. Yeah.
I'm gonna go see.
I think I'm gonna grab these pants right here, bruh. I'm grabbing these. So I'm gonna get that and this shirt. They don't go together, but I got some at the house to go with both of these. You feel me?
I'm gonna get me some earphones. Hi me.
Oh, Oh, look, Larry, you
Ooh, I meant to show you guys. Pillow, warriors. I don't know, but that's cute, that outfit. My mom's right there. I got that.
And then you can dump it.
You want to get it?
You think it's gonna work?
What if you just buy that and it don't work?
We in Vallejo, California. Man, we gotta get this dude some earphones, bro. We stay, bro. You stay needing something, bro.
Daddy,
What?
I like this remote.
You do?
But I really want this one though.
Huh?
The light up one.
What is that, boy?
Fortnite limited edition.
Extra as in what? Like,
Huh.
oh, so you're giving you back $64.99, so you're probably just paid tax, which is what, 8%, so maybe 5 something.
Roblox. If you guys play Roblox and Fortnite, comment down below.
You want like this? So the Sport Red 2 also has grips on the back.
You sure? All right. Thanks, bro. Appreciate you.
So which one you want? Or what is the red one?
So hold on.
It has little sport grips on it, and it's
Hey,
look,
it's me, Mario.
Like the reason are you really need a controller?
No,
Is this for you or for like friends?
boy, you must be the big Mario when he get that mushroom, boy. Bring that ass here, boy.
Big
Okay.
mushroom
Okay.
head. I'm doing
How many
that one.
controllers do you already have?
Daddy,
One? Okay.
What?
Then I always recommend 2.
What?
So in
You
that
see the
case,
one
yeah,
that
I'd probably
says,
get the nicer one and use that myself, and then
you see the
whenever a
one
friend
that
came
says
over, I'd give them
Xbox?
the older one.
Right there, the green, the white and the green.
Yeah, and dude, we're only
That
talking
one.
like
The
$5
black.
between, you know.
All right.
Yeah, I'd get the nice one. Yeah, if you already had 2 controllers, I'd be like, do you really need a third one?
Oh, Daddy,
What
while
can
we're
you
here,
use
can
this
we
for?
get another controller for the PlayStation?
What?
While we're here, can you get another remote for the PlayStation?
How about no?
Probably on my birthday. Can get one.
Yeah, next year. Your birthday just passed January, buddy.
Deadpool. Daddy, Deadpool
What's
behind
wrong
you.
with this guy, man?
Daddy, Deadpool's behind you.
Huh?
Deadpool's behind you.
You got a new one coming out?
Over there. See it?
Oh, they got a new Mortal Kombat coming out.
There was a white, but
We just chilling, kick back at the house, man. You feel me? We chilling. We finna do this little barbecue, man. You feel me? What is today? Tuesday is dry as hell today, so this what we giving y'all, man. You feel me? Got these little chickens over here. You feel me? Marinating. This dude over here playing Fortnite. It's blinking in the TV, bruh.
Oh my god. I found a press sniper.
Y'all make sure y'all add this dude gamer tag. Ooh, woo. Huh? Oh yeah, the barbecue sauce.
Put them ribs on that I bought. You want me to put the ribs on? You want to put these hot dogs on with them ribs or what?
Yeah.
You need those pins,
I'm thinking I'm gonna let it stay on for a little bit longer. I ain't doing too much little bliggity vlog, show y'all what's going down today. It was raining. It was raining a little minute ago. Then it stopped. You feel me? But hey, we'll see y'all in a minute. So why you calling me brother? That ain't something we should be calling each other. Cause I was all in, but you was all in your colors. Y'all was just Paul in, we was all in the gutter. Where the love at? Yeah. Can I hang on some? It's been a long time coming, when the change gon' come? Yeah. Sam Cook, can I hang on some? It's been a long time coming, when the change gon' come, nigga. Ha. Look, where the love at?